Hello, my name is G.A. Blackburn with We Buy Any House As Is. We are in one of the property that the homeowner sold it as is. So I'm going to walk you around. We clean up the property and I will let you appreciate it. And you could see the appliances are new. And this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. The flooring is in good shape. That's the 2nd bedroom, kind of like a master. Pretty nice back here, very private. Homeowners, if you have a house for sale, no matter what your situation is, no matter what the condition of your house is, we will assist you and provide you with a fair and solid cash offer. Just give us a call or visit our website and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.